4 today. We are going for blackfish again and cod. Let's see, Rob. Nice little path. Both fishing lugworm. I've got whelk, lugworm, whelk, and Rob's fishing a coalfish head. Coalfish roll mop fillets. So just take fillets off the coalfish, wrap them up. So that's what he's fishing. See how we go. We've not fished this mark in the winter before. It's a summer mark. It's good for halibut, so it's going to be interesting to see what it produces. But we've had a good old dump of snow. Got a headwind, southwest headwind. It's not too bad, so give it a go. See what happens. So we can get some fish. First fish, only a little codling, but it's a start. Let's get him unhooked. Only a little one. Just getting back. So, this is why we're not catching anything.
Manky.
Hagfish.
Drip your bait in 10 minutes.
Absolutely vile.
Things.
Can't see the eyes or anything. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, well done. It's another species.
Yeah, species, look at it. Dirty thing. Try and get it off in a minute.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at it, there's its head, isn't it? Dirty hagfish.
Oh, it's making a move.
Oh, there's 2 on there.
Horrid.
Where's me hook?
Oh, we're packing up now. Had enough. It's been poor. Very, very poor. It's wet. It's starting to get windy. We've only had one codling. So we're going to go back, have something to eat. And maybe go out tonight. Sorry it's a short video, but there's not a lot to show today. Oh, he's coming up with his hagfish. It's the highlight of the trip.
That's it.
Ooh.
Oh,
that its mouth?
disgusting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody things.
I don't put these back.
Right. There's the hagfish gone. It's looking for its way back. So that's part one done, and as you can see, fishing in Norway can be pretty brutal at times. Weather can turn. Sometimes it's just bloody hard work, but yeah, we gave it a go, and we're going to try again tonight. Sorry it's a short vid, but I'll put part two up later. Welcome to part two of today's fishing. We're on a local pier, really nice comfortable pier, nice bit of depth. We've got a nice 3.4 metre tide, so we're going to go for cod tonight. We're going to go all out for a big cod. We're going to use probably coalfish fillets, coalfish heads, whelks, and a bit of a combination really. So yeah, wish us luck. This really is a fantastic pier, really easy to fish. You haven't got to worry too much about the power lines, they don't really affect, they're up quite high. But we've got lovely conditions tonight, it's absolutely stunning. You have a little bit of a clamber down if you do hook anything big, but it's not too bad.
Nothing on there.
Again?
Yeah.
You're messing my filming up. Yeah, hey? Keep going and bloody reel the fish in, there's nothing there. Must be something there. Must be a little tiny one.
Oh, it might be a little one.
Yeah.
A little one.
Yeah.
Minute, isn't it?
A micro cod. Here it comes. Woohoo! The size of it. Look, Rob's really happy, look at his face. Look.
Right, that's going off now, worm.
That's
That's it.
That's it.
Gone. All the bait's going to be massive, isn't it? Crikey. No wonder it's hard to hook the bloody things.
So small.
Well, it is, isn't it?
At least you ain't blanked.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see, it's a right wet and miserable evening. Lashing it down. There's nothing happening. Dead. Giving it our best, but big baits, trying all sorts, but it's just totally dead. It's definitely hagfish about again. So that's another day done. That was one of the worst days. We tried everything and we just couldn't get through the hagfish. They were there stripping the baits all day, even at night. But we gave it a go, and we'll be out tomorrow. Hopefully we'll do better. See you then.